channel. I'd like to show you today kind of a culmination of a few recipes that I have on my channel to coordinate actually the hoisin sauce and the perfect baked tofu. I can't go wrong with that. So I have a large pan here. We're going to make some moo shu. And I have about a teaspoon of olive oil drizzled. We're going to heat this up to high heat. And I have my tofu baking right now. So all of this can go on concurrently and be fairly easy. I have about 1.5 cups of a thinly sliced red pepper. Red because it's colorful. If you have a different color in your fridge, use that. These are about 2 cups. Sliced mushrooms. And this is about a package of store-bought coleslaw mix. Super easy. And we are just going to saute this in that little bit of oil till they are tender crisp, which is about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. These have cooked down really nicely. One of the reasons I love this recipe also is there's not a lot of oil in it, so it's very, very healthy. So after 5, I have a tablespoon of minced garlic here and a tablespoon of minced ginger root. I think we've talked in another video about, we're going to do this for a minute, about, that's so nice. Keeping some ginger root in their freezer so you kind of always have it. It's inexpensive, but you don't need to use a lot of it, so you can always have that on hand. So I'm just making sure, oh, that's just becoming nice and fragrant. It's just spreading all that out, keeping it together. And we have all right, it's been a minute. And then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'll stir that in there. And voila, we are ready to serve. I'll see you in a minute. All right, so let's assemble our moo shu tofu. I have a little hoisin sauce that I whipped up as well. I'll have that attached at the end of the video. So I'm just going to put a little bit on this tortilla. I'm actually using a flour tortilla like you would use for enchiladas, tacos, burritos. I like them because they're sturdy and there is a lot of food to this. I'm going to add a little bit of my tofu here along the edge. And scoop some of my vegetable mixture along that. But again, you could use any kind of wrap you want, but again, I find this is thick. There's a lot of stuff to it, and it just holds really well together. Plus, they're easy to find, they're at the grocery store, and if I use it for this meal, I can have tacos later on in the week and still use that same. So we'll just wrap that up, and oh my goodness. Thanks for letting me share with you one of my favorite ways to have tofu. And it's super healthy, delicious, and really simple. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.